Hey, what's up? It's your boy Louis Large back again with another Photoshop video. Today we're going to be creating another Halloween image, but this time with a character in it. Isn't that great? Checkmate. For those who haven't watched my previous videos, the character in this video is played by Miserable Junkie. Big thanks to Miserable Junkie for taking part in this Halloween project. She's an awesome cosplay model on Instagram, and you can find her on Instagram at Miserable Junkie. This project took me 4 hours to complete with a total number of 4. Fuck, how many images? Give me a second. I gotta check my damn script. Alright, I get it. This project took me 4 hours to complete with a total number of 10 images downloaded from Benny's Halloween Drive, 45 adjustment layers, 53 internal layers, making a total number of 98 layers. Guys, you may have to forgive me, but I may have lost 3 hours of editing process due to technical issues with my PC. I am really sorry about that, but at least I came up with something that would satisfy you. Well, I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the end. And there you go. By the way guys, I'm not trying to waste anybody's time too much today, but if you enjoy my content, feel very free to subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment on my video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.